Hey, it's Rob, and we're back with another step by step. And today on this handsome man, Tobias, Tobias, as we call him in the Netherlands. Next step, Tobias, his hair has a bit of it has a very strong natural fall, and his parting is not in the middle, which I love, but that also means I don't want to cut his hair from a middle parting. So what I'm doing, wetting it again, and kind of look to what the hair wants to do. Not what I want to do, no, what Tobias's hair wants. Yeah? I think one of the most important things in hair cutting in general is, you got to learn your techniques, but you also got to learn to let go of your techniques, because hair is and will forever be a very organic product. So that's basically how you got to treat it. So move it around, and because of the weight of the water, see, there we go. This is kind of where it wants to split. Yeah. So this is also kind of the parting I'm working with. And here again comes the deep point cutting technique, yeah, because we want to go from this short to that long, so we kind of need a bit of point cutting because we're working with different length. Yes, so I'm going to do a very loose connection. Yes, this is where the hair wants to go. Yeah, if we film from the top, yeah, see how the hair falls. Move the hair, and because of the weight that the water adds to the hair will kind of show you where it wants to go. And the direction it naturally wants to go is also the direction in which I am going to take my section. Yes, so that is a very organic, natural approach to the haircut. Something I really believe in. Yeah, so I look at where the hair wants to go. Basically, I take my section just with my fingers instead of my comb. Putting it in, very loosely connect those top layers. Yes, so that's one. See, this is where it wants to go. So that's a section. This is where it wants to go. So that's a section. That's a section. And then I'm going to cross-check myself again, like my previous line, in a horizontal fashion, in a horizontal way. Yeah. So even these last hairs, as I said before we started the haircut, I want to maintain a lot of length. Just bring back the balance to the cut. Bring back the composition of the haircut. So what I'm doing here is lifting it up horizontally. Lifting it all up. See, this is almost perfect. I can double check myself by moving here, lifting it up. Now, don't make big changes in the top layer. Go through, soften it. Yeah, so this is really how you follow a natural wave. See how it flows into each other? We got some beautiful length, and we're gonna go a little bit shorter in the back. Yeah, this is a really nice technique to combine shorter and longer length. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now, because of the side part, that means we got more hair on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check how much hair exactly is gonna come off. Yeah, that's too much to do in one section, but we are still working with that natural fall. So I'm just gonna split this panel in two, but we are gonna use the same thing. So we're gonna make sure it's falling where it wants to go in a natural manner, and we're gonna follow that organic way of cutting. Looking at what the hair wants to do, the direction it wants to go from itself is also the direction in which I'm gonna take my section. This part's connected, so I'm gonna take that last part of that panel, lay it down, water, yeah? Move the hair around, let it fall into place where it wants to go, and follow that particular line, yeah? So these are my sections. The hair is showing my section, so follow through. One step in. love. Huh? I used to have a client with narcolepsy. Remember what I did on the other side? Bring it all up just to check your last stop layer. But don't change the whole haircut by going too short.